and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Alright, glad to see you be back here, and we're gonna look at the song from Myles Smith called Little by Little. So he released songs recently, and if you're a Myles Smith fan, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. You make my day and you will get great songs out of this channel. So let's take a look at Little by Little, and we have a very easy song here. So you put the capo on the second fret. With that, we have 3 easy chords, and it goes like that from the beginning till the very end. 3 chords in the same order, same strumming, and that's it. So capo on, let's go through the chords, and we're gonna start with the A sus2. Okay, so that goes open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. That's the first chord. The next chord is an E, and that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the third and final chord is a B sus2. We're gonna go with open fashion. Normally it's a bar chord, but this time it isn't. I'm gonna have an open string ring out there, so that will be to place your fingers on second fret A string, 4th D, 4th G, and then open B and open E. Alright, so there you have the chord progression: A sus to E and to the B sus. Okay, the strumming now. If you go back to the first chord, A sus, one string around will be down, down, up, like this. So down, down, up, down, up. A couple rounds of it goes like this. Okay, I played 4 rounds for you, and that's what you're gonna do as well. You're gonna play A sus, 4 string rounds, E2, and B sus2. Okay, a couple chord progression rounds goes like this. Again, A sus4, E2, B2. All right, we have that almost through the entire song. We have some twitch on it, and that's right before each and every chorus. And for instance, at 27 seconds into the song, this thing happens when you're gonna play the A sus 4 string rounds, E2, and normally you play B sus2, but this time it's right before the chorus. You play the B sus1, and then on the second round you play just the down, and then you play the down, up, down with a muted style. Okay, so the second round into the B sus will be to play 1 down on it, so like this, and then you play down, up, down. Not down, up like you normally do with the strumming here, just down, down, and you do that with a muted fashion. So that means you try to mute it in some way. Either you release the tension from the chord, and what I do here, I release it and then I put my mid finger, this one, I'm not using that to hold anything, I just lean it on top of all the strings here. That way it gets muted when you do the strumming like this, okay? Like this, okay? So what you're gonna do there in the second round of B is to play 1 down, and then you release and lean your fingers on top of the strings to get them muted and play down, up, down. Only for that second time in the B sus strumming, and then you continue in the same way with A sus4, E2, and B sus2 full strumming rounds. So I'm just gonna show you how it's done there. So imagine you are about 20 seconds into the song, and you're gonna play now the last round here just before the chorus. It goes like this. I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit. So B goes, and then you continue and start all over again. And that's pretty much what happens in Miles Smith little by little, okay? So very easy, 3 chords, and pretty much the same playing throughout the song. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.